Hello everyone, Cody right here. So today we are creating two programs. The first is for the Harvard University administration, where they can input the name of the student who have been selected to attend their college in 2020. And the second will be for the parents, developed by Harvard University, where they can check whether their sons or daughter have been selected or their applications have been selected or not. Without further ado, let's start coding. So what we've got to do first is we've got to open the file equals to open, and we'll name the file to be Harvard University 2020.txt. And the thing that we're going to do right here is we're going to append and read this file. So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to create a list that will be final list equals to empty, and we're also going to write number equals to 0 for the moment. You'll all understand why I'm doing this if you keep on seeing my codes. And after that, we are going to write continuing, and I suppose that should be true, right? So we're going to start a loop. I don't know why I did that. While continuing, first we've got to input name. We've got to input the name, enter the name that you want to check, and after that, the thing that we are going to do here is we are going to use if condition to create an exit code, or if the user want to stop writing or stop in giving the names of the students who have been selected, right, for whatever reasons. So if name equals to what do we write? Exit. Yep, exit. What we got to do is we got to change the value of continuing to false, and also we'll have to continue from there, right? And we'll have to, but if it is not exit, that means they are entering the value of the students. So what we will do is we'll append final list dot append by adding the name there. And so as of now, what I've learned, I might be wrong, but we cannot add the full list in Python at a time, so we'll have to add one at a time, right? So we'll be adding first element of final list number, right? So we're adding this position of final list, and we've got to increase the value of number every time, so that every time this whole loop executes, so that it keeps on adding the elements next to the initial element that has been inputted. Sorry. Yep. And before that, we don't want all these elements to come in the same place, same line, so we will simply add a new space there, so sorry, new line there. I hope this works. Yeah, so print we enter the name of student of selected SELEC selected STUDEN students, and let's run this again. We'll add Tom Cruise, John Cena, and Donald Trump. Very controversial man. And next time we'll just exit. Yep. So I think a function is working for now. So let's see if it has created a file for it did. And yep, it added the students that we entered here as well. And then, so now what we've got to do is we've got to create a new Python file for the parents so that they can check whether their students, whether their parent, whether the son's or daughter has been selected or not. So what we got to do, what will write? So what do you think will be the name for those kinds of softwares? Let's do Harvard check, and so what we're going to do for the time being is we're going to open, let's write file here, open, and I think there's, yep, that's what we're going to open. And for this time, to in the reading mode, I suppose, yep, we do not want to do anything else but only read. And what we'll do is we'll create a new, yep, boolean, CONTINU, continuing equals to true, and while continuing, before that we'll create a way if the user want to exit from the program. If, yep, before that we've got to input the name, enter the name that you want to check, and if name equals to, we'll write exit as exit here only, name equals to exit, then continue equals to false, and we will continue from here. Else, I suppose this does as well. Yeah, it does. Anyway, just a little curious right there. Else, what we'll do is file dot read, and if, and let's add this into a variable content. If name in content, what we'll do is we'll print congratulations, that's right, you are selected, else we'll write sorry. Better try next time. I do not know how this person will feel if he sees this message. And I think this should work for now. Are there any messages? No. So let's start with, yep, let's add Donald Trump and see what DONALD, Donald Trump. Okay, this works. Let's write the name that is not there, which I also love, KCNEISTAT. Yeah, working. So let's see if this code gets terminated, if this program gets terminated, if I write exit. Okay, it worked. I hope that you guys also enjoyed. Keep in mind, a lots of codes right here might not be the accurate one. There might be other measures. Since I'm the beginner, I hope you guys are entertained. Thank you for watching. So I'll stop the video right there.